G'day there. Just put together a quick tutorial on how to access Maths Online. Had a few parents ask a few questions on how to do this, so here we go. Now, to access Maths Online, simply go into Google and type in Maths Online, and the predictive text will bring that one up. Now, once again, we just click on the Maths Online. That will then take us into the Maths Online title page, and you'll see top right hand corner we want to log on. So we tap that there and a drop down menu will come in. The children will log in, they'll tap on student login. I'm going to just tap on teacher login just here, and the login page will look the same. So I'll just tap that in there and sign in. Now I'm in the teacher page there, so I'm just going to switch to student view. And this is what you'll be able to see when your kids have logged successfully into Maths Online. Now, Maths Online is a really good resource for teachers to use because it helps us to really differentiate the curriculum. We can set tasks from a kindergarten level all the way through to a year 12 level. So when your child does log into Maths Online, they will have some tasks set for them. Now, in this section, you'll notice underneath the Maths Online logo, you've got some other headings. You've got lessons and tasks and results. Now, these are really important. In the lessons section, you'll notice that there's a little arrow underneath that heading. So if I just tap on that, this will take me into a menu where the children can do a variety of different subjects. What's a really, really good feature of this program is the weekly revision tasks. Now, depending on the year level, whether in year 3 or year 4, or what academic level the children are working on, you can choose that there and then just tap on the weekly revision tasks section. Once you then you can go into, we're currently in term 2, so let's tap on that there, and then we've got 8 weeks of lessons here that your child can work through to help with some revision. So of week year 3 term 2 set 1, if we just tap on that will take us through to a variety of questions that will just help to consolidate some of the work that has already been covered. And children just have a look at the question and have a go at trying to solve it and then submit it. Another feature of this program is that teachers can set tasks depending on the concept that is being studied in class. So just next to the tab, the lessons, you'll see the tab tasks. So if your child taps on that, currently because I'm in teacher login, I don't have any tasks set for me, but your child will have some tasks set for them depending on the concept. They might also have some overdue tasks that will also be listed in here that they will need to complete to help build that solid foundation. Another great feature of using the Maths Online software is the ability to be able to check your child's results. So we just tap on the tab results and up will come your child's results depending on the subjects that they have done. So you can check the course. Sometimes teachers may set tasks at a year 3 level, at a year 4 level. So you just tap on that there and you can see it's got an efficiency rating. It's got the score that I got in the first attempt. Teachers will set a pass mark at 85%. So if your child does not receive a score above 85%, they will need to redo that task. So lots of information can be given by just having a look at your results. So you've ultimately got a school report on numeracy each week, and you can see how your child is progressing. So there's a quick rundown on how to use Maths Online. Please, if you've got any further questions, make sure you contact your child's class teacher.